Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I was so excited to share this new information with you all. So please stay tuned till the end, like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. So don't forget to follow me over there. But do you think less about your profession? Well, at the end of the video, you are not gonna feel the same because I'm gonna take you to higher dimensions of dentistry. So in this video, we are gonna talk about the top 5 blogs which are fantastic, which I follow regularly, and they are so amazing that I was so excited to share it with you all. I genuinely believe that by seeing and reading the great work of best dentists in the world, we can also fill ourselves with the same greatness. So any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so number 1 is Ask the Dentist by Dr. Mark Buchanan. It provides practical plus science-based dental health advice. This is how his blog looks like. Dr. Mark Buchanan is the author of number 1 bestseller, The 8-Hour Sleep Paradox, and is a practicing sleep medicine dentist in Sunny Valley, California. He's a TEDx speaker and his advice regularly appears on media outlets like CNN, CBS and Yahoo. He is so passionate about helping people understand the connection between oral and overall health. We can get a deeper understanding and a better techniques to explain. Sometimes we know the things but we cannot explain it well. So this skill we can develop it by reading the blogs, and Ask the Dentist is the best one. Okay, here you can see some of the topics as well. Yeah, wisdom teeth coming in, what you need to know. So he has written this for his patients, but by reading this we can use this information for explaining our own patient. Apart from this, for dentists, Dr. Mark Buchanan, he has this weekly newsletter. So you just have to give your email address and your full name, submit it on his website, and you can get a weekly newsletter from him, which gives you a deep insight about the dentistry, the recent topics, research work and everything. The second is the Dental Geek. This one is my personal favorite. This isn't your ordinary dental industry blog. This is a place where you can read about and communicate openly on unique, insightful and controversial topics in the field of dentistry. It is run by a group of dentists. They eat, sleep and breathe oral health. They live for dentition and they floss like a boss. In 2009, they finally faced the truth. They are dental geeks. And so, they created this blog. Does this sound like you? Then welcome to the club. Here also you can get some amazing and cool topics to read. Okay, you can get some change from your routine textbook knowledge. And the most interesting thing about this blog is they have such interesting categories: education, events, fun, marketing, news. So depending upon your mood, you can go to any of these categories and read it in depth about anything. So number 3 is drnemeth.com. Okay, Dr. Joseph Nemeth is a world-renowned periodontist practicing in the Metro Detroit area. He is the member of American Association of Periodontology, member of American Dental Society of Anesthesiology, founding member of President of the North American Society of Periodontists. So basically guys, he's like a god of perio. Okay, if you want an insight about this perio topics or implant topics, then there is no greater blog than this one. You should follow this and you should read it as well. So the good thing about blog is you can get a change from the routine textbook knowledge or the routine dentistry knowledge which you read from textbooks or for your exams or anything. Blogs are really cool thing to enrich your knowledge as well as to develop interest for your own field and to know the masters of your field as well. Number 4 is Next Step Dental Resource by Missy. I love Missy, first of all. She is a gem. If you have started your clinic or you are going to start clinic, then she is your savior. Missy is a practice consultant that is eager to solve your management problems with systems that she freely shares on her websites. Next Step Dental Resource is her blog name, and her tips for getting the most out of your team are not only valuable, they are inviting and may help you decide to continue asking her for advice. And she is very active with the email and all. If you have any issues regarding the management or functioning of your clinic, you can easily contact her on her email address and she will respond to you for sure. Here are some of the topics from her blog which may excite you. Never stress again when an employee leaves. Yeah, those who have their own clinic, they might be feeling it, how much painful it is and how stressful it is when an employee leaves. So when you will get into a real practice, you will face many problems regarding the management of the clinic, management of the patients, and it creates a lot of stress sometimes. So she is your life savior when it comes to management related problems. There is no greater blog than this one. 5th is Inspired Hygiene. It is a blog by Rachel Wall. She is a hygiene consultant and speaker who uses her blog to coach dentists toward the goal of tapping into hygiene's profit potential. I found her post passionate, focused and challenging, especially if you are in a mood of changing some things up in your practice. She recently received 2012 Dental Excellence Award as well. Here you can see some recent posts by her. And now comes the bonus one. Dental News and Technology by Dr. Marty, jablow. If you are looking for the hottest press release from the dental industry, there is an excellent chance that he has posted it in his blog. Marty seems to know the news before anyone else. He somehow covers just about anything that comes out of the dental meetings across the country. So if you want to be that person who knows the things first, then you should follow him. Here is the recent article which I found on his blog. So he posts some case studies and also the recent burning topics in dentistry and the recent researches or the advanced instruments. If you want knowledge about all these things, then this is the greatest place. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it and you will follow these blogs, and please let me know in the comment how was your experience.